Look, every guy wants healthy, good looking, and strong hair. But in India, 90% of guys don't even have a basic hair care routine in their lives. And then hair fall happens, dandruff occurs, and hair becomes thin, dry, and frizzy. Look, if you take the makeup of a girl or the hair of a guy, the situation is pretty much the same for both. So if you love your hair, make sure to watch this video until the end. By the way, there's a lot of confusion in the market regarding hair care. Someone says shampoo daily, someone else says do it only twice a week, someone says apply oil, while another says you shouldn't apply oil to your hair at all. So what should you actually do? Just watch this video because in it, I will tell you step by step how you can make your hair healthy, shiny, and strong by following just 5 simple hair care steps. Step 1. Cleansing. The very first step of hair care is cleansing. And here, we aren't just talking about cleaning the hair. You should focus more on scalp cleaning. Look, due to pollution, dust, dirt, sweat, and grime accumulate in our hair every day. Therefore, it is very important to clean them on a regular basis. For this, you need to use shampoo. But first, understand one thing. No matter which shampoo it is in the world, its only job is to clean your hair and scalp. Meaning, never expect from any shampoo that your hair will become thick, shiny, and strong. The job of shampoo is only cleaning. Now the confusion arises, how many times a week should you shampoo? You have to decide this based on your lifestyle. If you don't go out of the house much or just have a desk job in an office, then shampooing 2 to 3 times a week is enough for you. But if you stay outside more, travel, do manual labor in dust and dirt, or go to the gym or play sports where you sweat, you should wash your hair daily with a mild shampoo. Now the question is, which shampoo should you use? If your scalp is oily, meaning even without applying oil your hair always feels greasy, or if you have dandruff problem, then you should use a shampoo with exfoliating ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and tea tree oil. These effectively remove extra oil and dirt. And if your scalp is normal, you can use any mild sulfate and paraben-free shampoo according to your budget. My recommendation is Pilgrim's Anti-Dandruff Shampoo for dandruff and oily scalps and Khadi Naturals Mild Shampoo for normal scalps. Both links are in the description. Now the most important thing, the right way to shampoo. Don't rub your hair like animals. Wash them gently with a proper massage. Massage the shampoo with your fingers for at least 1 to 2 minutes so that the scalp can be cleaned properly. And remember, no matter how cold it is, never wash your hair with hot water. Always wash your hair with normal or cold water. What happens when you put hot water on your head? You can ask ChatGPT. Step 2. Conditioning. After shampooing or cleaning, the second step is conditioning. You might have noticed that after shampooing, hair often feels dry and rough because shampoo strips all the moisture from the hair. That's why in the second step, we have to provide moisture to the hair again so that it looks soft, shiny, and healthy. Therefore, it is essential to always apply conditioner after shampooing. This is a very important step for your hair's health. Now understand the right way to apply conditioner. Once you have shampooed, squeeze the extra water out of your hair. Then take a little conditioner according to your hair length and apply it only and only to the hair. Keep in mind, conditioner is not to be applied to the scalp. It is only for the hair. So apply it thoroughly only to the hair. And yes, don't wash it off immediately. Let it stay on the hair for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you might be thinking, or you'll think while bathing, what will I do for these 2 to 3 minutes in the bathroom? Well, let me teach you how to bathe too. First, shampoo, massage it well for 2 to 3 minutes, then wash your face and rinse your hair. After that, apply conditioner and let it stay for 4 to 5 minutes. Simple. During this time, you clean the rest of your body. Now look at that. I even have to teach you how to bathe. And one more important thing, don't get caught up with these 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioners. You need to apply conditioner separately. I will put links to